Hello from Slovenia again. I have black canvas. Oh, first of all, I want to invite you all to my Friday live. I'm a little bit scared already, I must say that, because I'm really new on this filming thing, and I don't know how I will handle this live, but with you, all of my friends, subscribers, and all the others, I think that I will do okay. I will put all informations in my community section on YouTube, so you can see when you can join me and ask me about my mixtures, my primer, and I hope that we will answer all of these questions and do some pour together. So I will try to do my black background again, but today I want to pour my green in circles and see if this makes any difference when we lift our paper towel. So we will find out together. So, my black. And I will try just to do some circles around. Maybe this will not make any difference, but I want to try if it does. I get this blob again. This happened to me in these bottles that I use, reuse from, it was glue inside, but I washed it up, but here paint dries and then I get these weird blobs sometimes. And I will use blues today, and I will start with my Colleen blue. And I will go to rose today again. Hope that I don't have my head on the way. And I will do cobalt next. My phthalo blue. See, this happens because paint dry in this area, and so I get this weird blobs sometimes. And for the middle I will add orange, but not too much. And here I have my metallic white, because I like this effect that this paint does. I will go with my green blue again. My cobalt. Oops. And in the middle I want to do just cobalt and phtalocyan, because I want a little darker middle part. It will be darker because I have, again, this is not the optimal idea to use these bottles, but I just like to reuse things that I can. I get this again. Intine. I will put another layer of my white, metallic white. Maybe I shouldn't have had my metallic white here in the middle. I will go with my phthalo again for the last layer. And my paper towel. And I will dump it. Many of you asked me about my paper towels. I will show everything in and we can do maybe comparison with two paper towels, so we can see if there is some difference between two paper towels, two different paper towels. And let's see. Just try to spread this paint a little bit. And now I will go this way to the sides. I just like to feel paint under my fingers, so I feel somehow where is too much paint. That's why I don't want to use this I don't know, spatulas, palette knives or whatever. I hope that I didn't tap this too much, and let's try to lift it. And the other. I lost my orange, and Leslie says that this is Fiona's touch. Leslie is from, she has her channel too. I will talk about her one day soon. You will know all about it. And this round thing with green doesn't make any difference, so I just want to see if I can bring some of this orange. I was afraid that I will add it too much, and now I lose it completely. But what can we do? We can't do nothing now. Maybe I have white, metallic white too thick, because I didn't get this effect that I want. I just want to see here. Obviously I have my paper towel. I lifted it in some weird way, so but it's still pretty, I think. I don't know, maybe it's this way. But the green in doesn't make any difference. Even I layered it in circles, it's the same, so I kind of like it, but I expect some more of this metallic white effect, but obviously it's too thick. But still get some nice effects, and like I don't know if I can show you. You see, like it has some magic how can I say that? Dust? Yes. magic dust on it, or when you wake up in the morning and you see your morning glory. You see? It has some beautiful effects in it. So, what do I learn? Our round layer of green doesn't make any difference. I learned that, and that my metallic white must be on the thin side if I want to get these effects that I was expecting to get. So, but that's why we are experimenting to see the difference between consistencies and all of this stuff, so we can all learn from it. So this was it for today. 2 days to life. I hope I will survive, and I will. I'm a survivor. And see you on the next one. Bye.